after long combat. From the east, the warrior returns with the blood of peonies. I am the child who died at the edge of the world, the distance between end and hope, the star diagram that fell from the sky, the summer that makes men weep, and the untold lives of women who survive with happiness to carry on. I am the breath that opens the mouth of the canyon, the sunlight on the tips of trees, there where the narrow gorge hastens the wind. I am the place where memory escapes the myth of time. I am the sleep in the mind of the mountain. My next poem is a tiger poem. It's from a small collection called Other Lives. Just about a month ago, we had a terrible incident in the Itanagar Zoo. Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh, where a tiger was shot in his cage and brutally killed. Man and brother, this is the second of the series. Before the day is over, one kill and the deed is done. The alert faces are speckled, beads of sweat on the ground. The sun is drooping over the hill when the last wild tiger is killed, and a heartbeat like thunder echoes from